A team that was very dedicated in ensuring that the curriculum was properly implemented. We ensured that our learners were exposed on both the theory part of the curriculum and on the practical part of the curriculum. We also ensured that our syllabus was completed in good time to give way for the formative assessments that take at least a week to ensure that you are done with all the formative assessments. And the completion of the syllabus in good time gave us enough time to ensure that we embarked on adequate topical revision that was cutting across from grade 7 all the way to grade 9.
Jeremy Njagi, a student from Rhodes Junior Academy who has just received his result, and I'm so happy. I've scored 7.7, an average of 7.7, and I'm so happy. All thanks goes first to God, to my parents and to my teachers for their great support through this journey. The pioneers of CBE has been quite a challenge. Since things are a surprise in CBE, we started CBE without quite aware of it, but now we can say we are heading somewhere.
Naitwa Steven Kamanjiri Njora. Mtoto wangu ni Lamsi Kanari. I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm proud of him. Yeah. Actually ni mzuri kwa sababu everybody is on board. Hakuna mtu anawashwa nje, and it is giving us maono mapya ya maendeleo.